Hi, my name is David and welcome to part 5 of the DGI Systems demonstration series. The following demonstration will show you a basic dashboard, a user's ability to run parameters against the dashboard, and also ability to drill through reports within a dashboard to show other reports. As I've stated before, I'm running my reports via a URL pasted into my browser. They can just as easily be stored in user bookmarks, on internet sites or custom reporting portals. As you see, I have a revenue dashboard. I have 4 reports showing some common types of charts. I have pie chart with tooltips showing me the values. This helps to minimize the amount of space taken up by a legend. We can just use tooltips. I have a 3-dimensional bar chart with axes reversed, also showing me tooltips. I have a bar chart with dual axes, so I can put 2 pieces of information on the one chart, which I'll show you in just a moment. And we also have a dial. Now, parameters can be used to produce things like year on year, so that I can have a look at how charts looked in the previous year. Once again, I'm looking at numbers and I'm thinking, well, I really could handle some pre-analysis of this. So let's jump back to the current year to date. I'm going to turn on some analysis. And by doing so, now my pie chart will explode under certain conditions. My names of my customers are now highlighted under certain conditions, and I have a line on my chart. Now the pie chart, I basically said anything over 100,000 I want to explode, showing me that I've got some products that are selling well, my top products. My top customers, I have highlighted the customer name green, so that I can see that in 2012 it was also a top customer. They are highlighted when they were in this list for the previous year. Consultant revenue averages, I've placed an average line into my chart to show, so I can see easily which offices are performing above and below average. And on the year-on-year revenue comparisons, I have not placed any analysis at all. Now, apart from the analysis that I can perform on the charts, I can also flick between leaving my analysis on, and it will also show me the analysis for the previous year. And it's quite easily toggle back, so I can see that, and also toggle back to my current year very quickly. Also, I can place links within the report so I can drill through. So this can be a starting point, and if anything of issue is highlighted or any points of interest highlighted, users can quite easily say, I've now selected with my analysis on, I have the ability to drill through to a report which you've already seen. Sales by product for 2013, and for my planes, which is the link I selected. Now you will notice in this report, this is page 3 of 7. I can do that. I can link to other reports one of 2 ways. I can either say link to the destination report, take some parameters and refine the information by that, so I would only have a 1-page report showing planes, or I can set bookmarks in the destination report. I can select a link for planes as an example, and it will link to that table of contents entry within another report. And that's what I chose to do this time. Thanks very much for watching the series. This is part 5 and concluding the series. I will add more parts, more demonstrations as time goes by. So please stay tuned to www.dgisystems/demos for more demonstrations as time goes by. Thanks very much for your time. Bye bye.